North Lanarkshire Council has made improvements to the local recycling procedure that allow you to recycle more of your household waste without leaving your doorstep. These changes have been introduced as a result of the Scottish Government raising the standards for recycling and creating specific targets for our communities. The amount of waste we send to landfill or dump sites must be reduced to within specified limits. If we exceed those limits, as a council we become liable to severe financial penalties. This means council tax revenue would be spent on paying those penalties rather than on continuing to improve our services to you and your community. North Lanarkshire Council is currently recycling at an impressive rate of 28%, a massive improvement from 2001 when all we managed to recycle was 1.3% of our domestic waste. As a council, we have come a long way and done a fantastic job, but nationally, all of us have been asked to raise our game. By 2010, the Scottish Government challenges all councils in the country to be recycling at a rate of 40%. If we each pitch in and make an effort, we will achieve our goal and, in doing so, create cleaner, safer, more livable communities. The new changes mean that recycling at home is easier than ever before, and we've created a new curbside collection schedule to ensure your recycling is transported to a local facility with little alteration to your routine. In brief, the changes are: more materials can now be recycled in your blue bin. Your domestic waste bin containing non-recyclable materials will be collected 1 week and your blue bin containing recycling materials the next. This pattern of alternating uplifts will continue from now on. The familiar blue bin used for recycling takes centre stage in the improved recycling scheme. It plays a key role in getting recyclable materials out the door and into the recycling process. Each household will receive a blue bin for clean recyclable materials if it does not already have one. So, in total, each household will have at least one blue bin and one domestic waste bin. The number of materials the blue bin now accepts has increased tremendously to include paper, newspapers, magazines, etc., cardboard, flattened, food and drinks cans, rinsed and flattened if possible, empty aerosol cans, drinks cartons, Tetra Pak type materials, plastic tubs, yogurt, margarine, etc., plastic bottles, rinsed and flattened, removed tops if possible, plastic food trays, rinsed. Households of 5 people or more are entitled to a free, larger size blue wheelie bin for recycling materials in exchange for their current standard size blue bin. They will also be able to change up to a larger size bin for domestic waste for a small charge. The blue bin takes on the same status as the familiar domestic waste bin. They work side by side to deal with the appropriate materials to be recycled or disposed of in your home. It's important to note that much of what once went into your domestic waste bin can now be recycled. This decreases the amount of materials to go into your domestic waste bin. This means less rubbish being disposed of in our landfills, a cleaner environment, and a healthier community. Charities benefit as well. Recycleforgood, a scheme set up by North Lanarkshire Council, donates money to selected charities according to how much material gets recycled in your community. To date, £26,500 have been donated to St Andrew's Hospice, Children First, Help the Aged, and the British Heart Foundation. The more we recycle, the more we can help. New household collection schedules offer greater convenience to you and ease the growing stress on our local landfills. You will still receive a weekly bin collection. The only change is that we will empty your domestic waste bin containing non-recyclable materials 1 week and your blue bin containing recycling materials the next. Beginning on the week advised on the cover of this DVD, please present only your blue bin on the usual day of your domestic uplift. Then, the following week, please present only your domestic waste bin for emptying. This pattern of alternating uplifts will continue from now on, so please be mindful of which bin to put out each week. Compost material collection will remain unchanged, collected every second week as advised on your collection calendar. About 180 local authorities throughout the UK, including 15 in Scotland, successfully operate schemes similar to the one we are introducing. Some of the benefits include: new blue bins offer a single catch-all container for a wider variety of recyclable materials. No interruption to your weekly collection service. Cleaner communities and environmental improvement. Decreased dependency on landfills. Nominated Recycle4Good charities benefit from annual donations. The Council has been busy streamlining the recycling process to make it easier for people to access recycling facilities. Plans are underway to build 4 new recycling sites to augment the new sites at Coatbridge and Netherton, the refurbished site at Cumbernauld, and the other existing sites at Airdrie, Bells Hill and Cleland. If you have any queries or concerns about the new recycling scheme, please visit our website at www.recycleforgood.org or phone the Northline helpline at 01698 403 110. Operators are available from 8 AM to 6 PM Monday to Friday and 9 AM to 12 PM on Saturday to answer your queries.